welcome to the University of Edinburgh. The Rector of the University of Edinburgh is elected by students and staff of the University, and works particularly with our students. And the Rector also presides over the